Welcome to our channel Master Teacher. Our topic is direct and indirect speech. Today I am going to teach you about the change of words denoting time and position. When we change direct speech into indirect speech, some words denoting nearness of time or position are changed into suitable words denoting distance. But always remember, this change is made if the reporting verb is in the past tense. I will repeat this sentence. This change is made if the reporting verb is in the past tense. These words shows nearness and these words shows distance. So this becomes that, these becomes those, here becomes there, now becomes then, ago becomes before, today becomes that day, tonight becomes that night, yesterday becomes the previous day or the day before, tomorrow becomes the next day or the following day, thus becomes so, hence becomes thence, hither becomes thither, come becomes go. Come is changed into go only in that case when any word showing nearness is given with it. Hereby becomes thereby, last night becomes the previous night, week, the previous week, month, the previous month, year, the previous year, etc. Next day, week, month or year, etc. becomes the following day, week, month or year, etc. I will repeat everything again. For example, in direct sentence, I say to Mohan, I bring my books only for me. This sentence or direct speech is made up of two parts, reporting speech and reported speech. Reported speech is inside the inverted commas, these, okay, and reporting speech is divided into three parts, subject, verb and object. The subject of the reporting speech is called the reporting subject. The verb of the reporting speech is called the reporting verb because it makes a report in each sentence. The reporting object of the reporting speech is called the reporting object. To convert the direct speech into indirect speech, we have to make some necessary changes. We have to remove the commas and inverted commas. We use conjunction. The reporting verbs say, says and said. Say, says and said is changed into tell, tells and told. If it is followed by an object, object to Mohan, to me or to her. If there is no object, it is left unchanged. When we change direct speech into indirect speech, some words denoting nearness of time or position are changed into suitable words denoting distance. This change is made if the reporting verb is in the past tense. You must have understood many of your shortcomings and have learned to make direct and indirect speech. I will teach you the rules for the change of pronouns in my next video. If this video was helpful for you, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you get updated whenever I upload a new video. Till then, keep learning and keep watching. Bye bye. Stay healthy and stay